Hey guys, today I just want to show you this indoor 6-tiered lighted plant stand system that was gifted to me to do this video. So guys, let me just go ahead and show this to you here. And I've already got it assembled. After this portion, I will show you the step-by-step assembly guide to help you out if you have trouble putting it together. But let me just talk about the system here. It's a really nice system. I got this for my wife because she loves plants and she really wanted this. So, you know, you've got 6 different levels to put plants on. You can put different size plants. She likes a little bigger pots, but we do have little pots here. It has this lighting system here, which has 10 different lighting levels. You can change the lights up to bottom, down, or both of them. You have a timer system here for 3, 9, and 12 hours. Of course, that's what it looks like when it's off. Okay, so if you want to do your timer system there, you can see you dim it way down, or you can go back up. So you have 10 different lighting levels. Very nice. And you get 2 of them in the package, so that gives you a total of 12 different plant stands. Even has some hangers up here to hang things on, guys. So this is what it looks like at night, guys. Really beautiful. Provides a great accent to a living room in the darkness or even in medium light. So let me go ahead and show you the assembly portion. Alright guys, so you saw it really wasn't that hard to put together. They provide all the tools, all the screws, and the instructions were really easy to follow. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please consider hitting that thumbs up underneath the video to let me know this video helped you out. Until next time, this is the Gadget Man saying, I'll see you later.